To preserve your battery health in Google Pixel 10 Pro, first you need to open settings on your smartphone device. Next step is to locate the battery. Click on it, then go for the battery health right here. Next step is to go to charging optimization, and here we can find all of the settings that we need to preserve our battery health. You can turn on use charging optimization, and you can go for adaptive charging, which finishes charging to 100% right before you normally unplug, which means if you're charging your device on a schedule, for example overnight, when you go to sleep you plug in your device, it will learn that, and then it will unplug charging around 1 hour before you wake up, for example, and then finish the charging right before you wake up. Then there's limit to 80%, which will limit your overall battery charging to 80% of battery, but at the same time will preserve your battery health. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.